So I found this question on Reddit. So I found what this user wants, that he wants to switch the tag when an item is moved from the group board view to a calendar view. So from here, I understand that he has one database, and then he has one is in the board view, and then another one is in the calendar view. And then he further elaborates that, for instance, when I move a task from the archive group in the board view, so this means I assume it's like an archive status, to the calendar, could the status automatically change to incomplete? So he kind of wants to, once he move archive to group into dates, you want to change the status, right? So I'm going to kind of show you how this can be done, and then maybe some weird quirks that I found along the way. So let's go to Notion. So now that we're in Notion, so I've created this demo here. We have text transition demo. So you can see this two database that's using the same database. And then I kind of created three types of status. So we have multi-status property, select property, and then status property. Because I just want to show you some of the quirks on how you can do it. But before that, let me just go in on how he can works on, like, once you move it, and then you just automatically be updated. So I'm gonna select, let me select the group first. So yeah, this is tag select 2 is correct. And then maybe just to honor what he used, the term, so maybe we can change here. So he used the term, maybe we can create one that's called archive, and then maybe one is like incomplete. Okay, so currently the work job is in archive. So if you want to cancel ID, is that once you move it here, right, it'll be incomplete. So let me just kind of clear these two. So just remove the dates. All right. So let me just remove this as well, just to make it less confusing. I think that's fine. Okay. So next is just go to this filter. I'm going to remove this filter. So I'm going to add one filter here. Select tag 2, and then just select archive. So what would happen is that when you move it here, right? So I move it here. No, I move incomplete here, right? So automatically you just go to archive, because this is being filtered to archive. So that's how you kind of play around with this. So same thing, I move it here, go to archive. Oh, wait, it's a wrong example. It's trying to move it to incomplete, not archive. So yeah, it should work the same though. So let me just do this now. Just move here, you can see it goes to incomplete. Just can move around different stages. You can see it's updated because this filter kind of changed how it works, how it directs. So yeah, that's one. So another interesting findings I found is just that when you use a multi-select, right? So let me just go through multi-select. I'll just select the group as multi-select now. And then when I try to move this down here, it automatically goes to no tag. So I just kind of find this quite interesting. I didn't know this behavior in multi-select. So I'm not sure why Notion intentionally do this. So basically what this means is that you can't use the same tricks like the filters to do what I showed you earlier. So you kind of have to like use either status or the select property to achieve this. So yeah, that's the video. So hope it helps you, and if this helps you, so I post daily tutorials, questions on that I found on Reddit, Facebook to help people answer it. And yeah, like if you just subscribe then. Thank you.